Do you want to install apps without Apple ID password on your iPhone? Then if yes, this video is going to walk you through how to download or install any apps on your iPhone or update any application on your iPhone without using your Apple ID password. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you want to download any application from the Apple App Store, you will be prompted to type in your Apple ID password. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to skip all of this so that you can get the app on your iPhone straight without the password. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, click on your Apple ID account. Then scroll down the Apple ID account page. Locate and click on media and purchases. Now click on password settings. Once you click on password settings, locate free download and make sure you disable required password. So if required password is enabled, make sure this is disabled. Then once you disable it, go ahead and click on the done button at top right. Then go back to the settings again. On the settings, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to screen time. Then click on that. Once you select screen time, scroll down the page, locate content and privacy restrictions, and then click on it. Then under content and privacy restrictions, locate iTunes and App Store purchases, and then click on that. Once you click on that, under require password, choose do not require password. Then once you selected that, hit the back button. And then under the content and privacy restrictions, you want to make sure you disable content and privacy restrictions. Now hit the back button and go back to the settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. Now once you click on Face ID and passcode, type in your iPhone passcode. Then under use Face ID for, locate iTunes and App Store and disable this. So if this is enabled, go ahead and disable it. Then once you disable that, hit the back button, then close the settings. Now go ahead and close the App Store on your iPhone. Now go back and open the App Store again. Once you open the App Store, search for the application you want to download without your Apple ID password on your phone, and then click on Get. Once you hit the Get button, just hang on. You'll be prompted to tap Install, then go ahead and tap Install. And now if you see it done, then you should see the application installing on your iPhone. If you want to update any application as well, just go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right, then locate update all, and then click on the application you want to update. Then you should see the application updating and then downloading without your Apple ID password. So that is basically how to install apps without Apple ID password on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.